In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear outside door handle on this Nissan Versa. This will be mounted to your door. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. This is going to be fairly simple. Use a small pocket screwdriver and remove this plug. Inside of this area, you'll find that you have a small T27 Torx screw that's holding the handle in place. You can see that straight on through this hole. That is a captured screw, so it'll stay in place. Now we can make our way to the outside of the door. At this point, we'll take hold of this area and gently pull it away from the door. To do that easily, go ahead and carefully grab on that handle and we'll just give it a slight tug. There's this piece. We can set this aside for now. Now let's take hold of the handle. We're going to slide it rearward and then remove it. There it is, friends. Let's get ready for the installation of our brand new outside door handle. We'll take the forward hook and slide it into place. Slide the rearward aspect in and then slide it forward. Now we can take this piece and put it in position as well. If you were to look at the inboard side, you'll find that you have two small locking tabs, and then of course you have the area for that mounting screw. To put this in position, we'll come in at an angle, and then we'll slide it into place. You can give that handle a little tug to help it move in easier. Let's move along to that T27 Torx screw. Go ahead and snug it up. Make sure that's nice and tight. Reinstall your protective plug. Now we can test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.